amenities like that? Who needs a mall?
Well, this is a very decent sized pool as compared to many of the boutique developments. Let me show you the amazing view. Let me show you around. Well, a good sized sort of room that is pretty rare for studio apartments. A fully functional kitchen that includes a microwave, of course, plenty of storage, comes with a rain shower, spacious and clean. A queen size bed, a two-seater sofa, a big enough wardrobe. Drop me a call now. Let me show it to you before you miss it. Well, this property is facing the inside of the development. Therefore, you don't get the noise from the main road. Listen. You can hardly hear anything.
The moment you step inside, you'll know it's more than a unit. It's where memories are made. PM Stanley before it's gone.